Well, hi, Piper. What are you doing, huh? Oh, you're sitting there guarding the laundry baskets. That's pretty good. Yeah, you're always on the go, aren't you? Yeah, if you're not working in the office, you're finding something else important to do. And taking care of the wash is pretty important, huh? Well, that's a good job you're doing there. Yeah, check and make sure nothing's around here that's going to get in there. Boy, that's really valuable. Oh, look at that face. Yep, she really takes her work seriously. Oh, now what's she gonna do? Oh, now she's gonna check down the hall. Well, that's excellent. Making your rounds, huh? Yeah, oh boy. You don't want anybody unauthorized to go in the office, do you? Oh, there it is. Check it out. Yeah, we don't want anybody going in there that shouldn't be. Oh, there we go. Check out the desk. Look at that. She's the office manager and the security guard. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna check out the desk now? You're doing a good job, Piper. There we go. Uh-oh, there's the plant.